Hello, good evening. It gives me immense pleasure to express few words on this FDP program, which is organized by GFGC Ranebennur in association with Karnataka University, Dharwad. So, the seminar, this whole FDP program is mainly held by and taught by Professor Samuel Johnson, who is a professor at VIT, AP. So let us come to this. He has started with his words that COVID is there, so we all are academicians. So no pandemic can stop an academician. So with these words, he has started a seminar, that FTP program, in fact, and this itself inspires all the faculty members, all the teaching fraternity, that nothing can stop an academician. So he has taught us that how a teacher should be. So the word teacher starts with T. That T, the shape of T itself, explains us that we must know little about all the things and depth in our subject. We must be deep, having a deep knowledge in our subject. So he has taught us about the open educational resources, how many open educational resources are there and how we can use this. And let us make a digital learning contagious, not a COVID contagious, also he has told. So in these during COVID days, how we can enable ourselves, he has taught us. So let us come to students fraternity. So many students fail. So we should not, what do you say, puncture our students, that we should say that the expansion of fail is first attempt in learning. So that's why they should be very much inspired to get one more attempt and reach the goal. So he has explained us 4 quadrants of online material also, and he has spoke about blended learning, flipped classroom learning model, and free synchronized and asynchronized models. So how to design YouTube studio with the minimum expenditure also he has told us, because we need to do the videos and upload it in the YouTube. So I'm privileged to be the part of this fantastic FDP program, which has enriched us with so many things to a greater extent. So he has covered how to make life beautiful, not just the academic part or online teaching tools, but he has told about how we'll have to manage our life beautifully and happily. So never ignore a person who ignores you. So in double inverted comma with quotes, he has told that we should not ignore a person who ignores us. So because this is connected with the students only in our life, we are mostly connected with our students. That's why we should not ignore who ignores us. So students see you more than receive from you. This is also very important. We must be knowing always that whatever we teach, so that may not be received by them, but how we look and how we tell, so that is always observed by, they see how we are, right? So that's why students see you more than receive from you. So he has told this also, never expect hope from hopeless people. So that's why we should not keep any hope. Without hope, if we serve the nation, if we serve the educational field, then everything will come to us back. So creativity, creating a sound cloud also. He has taught about how to create the sound cloud. So covered online materials for many disciplines, not just one subject, commerce, economics, etc., but all the science subjects and social science subjects, how we can access educational resources from Google, and how to teach those things online also he has taught us. So prioritize your priorities to grow. So this is very important. What we'll have to do is, we are doing so many things, but we'll have to list it up and prioritize and do this to grow. So run behind the quality, but not the quantity. So quantity will run behind you. So if we run behind the quality, automatically quantity will come back to us. So give more to get more. This is very simple quote. Give more to get more, impart more to excel. So how much we spend our knowledge, that much enrich our minds. That's why we need to impart more to excel also. So be sincere and good in small things, all things will come to you. So this is very simple, you see. Be sincere and good in small things, all things will come to you. So common sense is not common to all. This is also very important. So many quotes he has told us, life is simple, but don't make it complicated ones. So how to use it is how to use a whiteboard while teaching online lessons. He has taught us how to make our own website that is free of cost using link free link tree. So how to make use of this and how we can make our own website, personal website, and make it public, right? So it is very what do you say, interesting one, because without spending a single pie we can have our own personal website. So classvr.com. So many things he has taught us, websites, how to feel virtual reality and augmented reality, use of technology, but don't be used by technology. So we'll have to make use of the technology, but technology should not govern us, control us, okay? And respect people, but don't react. So this is important to the life, okay? Freedom is not uh, uh, equivalent to flexibility. So we have to give much importance to freedom as well as to flexibility, but where more amount of freedom should be there and flexibility should be there, that should be known to us. When we are with the students, we will have to be flexible ones, and little bit of freedom should be given, right? So that's why we must understand when to give a freedom and when to be flexible. Taking care of family is also very important to lead the life, we'll have to give much more importance to our family also along with our duty. So here, what is the long form of family? Very simple. Nobody came to know this till now. So Samuel sir has told that the long form of family is father and mother, right? Family, father and mother. I love you. So this is very beautiful words. And he has also told, coming to yesterday's session, Dr. Salini, who is the better half of Professor Samuel, told very neatly about the alternative teaching tools which can be used and excel in the online teaching. So that is Kahoot.com and quizzes.com. Kahoot is made by Norway and quizzes.com is made by India, but which is very popular in US, they are told. So Santosh sir also covered about the Miro. Very excellently he has taught us in the yesterday's class. And with this last, you see, quote, if you want to reach fast, go alone. If you want to reach fast, go alone. If you want to reach far, go with team. So these are the words which are quoted by Samuel. And one more is, we need to spare our time in practicing, which is imparted by Professor Samuel. We have to make ourselves very much perfect. To become a perfect, we have to practice more. So spend a lot of time in what do you say, practicing whatever has been imparted by, given by. We need to inculcate all this. So we need to learn better. That's why practice makes man perfect. So these are the, with this quote, I end up my feedback. It was excellently done by Professor Samuel. So I thank the organizers, because of their initiation only, it has an opportunity which was created by them to all the teaching fraternity. I was feeling when to learn, where to learn all these online teachings and all, because we have a time. So many YouTubes are there, YouTube videos are there, we can go through, but we don't have time, and which is the best video to go through was also not known to us. So this FDP program, which is organized by Ranebennur Government College and in association with Karnataka University Computer Department, I thank on behalf of all the participants and my behalf that this was excellent and successful one. In fact, Samuel sir asked all of us to do it well in advance, but I thought of, let us complete all the things, all the course materials and all, then we can do it. So thank you once again. I express thanks from bottom of my heart. Thank you.